Hello everyone, good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the chapter sequence and series, and in that chapter we discussed about what is sequence, we discussed about what is series, and also we discussed about the progression. Okay, now in that chapter first of all we take arithmetic progression. This is very important topic of your syllabus. So first of all we discuss about arithmetic progression, and in previous class we discuss about the concept of arithmetic progression. In that class I discuss about arithmetic progression is what type of progression. Okay, if any progression is said to be arithmetic progression if the difference between a term and its previous terms remains constant. Okay, suppose that a1 a2 a3 and dots 1 an be a progression, then if the difference between a term and its previous term remains constant, that is if a minus 2 minus a1 is equal to k, a3 minus a2 is equal to k, similarly an minus 1 is equal to k. So if the difference between a term and its previous term is equal to constant, that is same, then that type of progression is known as what? Arithmetic progression. And one important thing is that that constant value is also known as the common difference of the given arithmetic progression. So this constant value is also known as what? Common difference. It is denoted by the letter D. So here k be the common difference in that examples. So dear students, it is clear that if the difference between a term and its previous term remains constant, then that type of progression is known as what? Arithmetic progression. Now let's see. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the general term of an AP, means nth term of an AP. Let's see the formula for nth term of an AP is what? An or Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for to find the nth term of an AP. Here a be the first term, d be the common difference, and n be the number of terms. And dear student, now we take some questions based on these formula. Okay, let's see some question based on that formula. Now your question is, let's see. Your question is, if the pth term of an AP, this is very important question of an NCERT exercise. Let's see, if the pth term of an AP if the is q and the qth term of qth term is p. Okay, prove that its nth term is nth term is p plus q minus n. So dear student, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see once more time. If the pth term of an AP is q and the qth term is p, now we have to show that its nth term be this. Now let's see its solution, dear student. First of all, let's see its solution. First of all, let a be the first term and d be the common difference of that AP then its nth term will be Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So suppose that, dear students, let a be the first term and d be the common difference of that ap, then its nth term will be what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now according to question, it's here pth term of an ap is q, pth term is q and qth term is p. Now here from question, what is this? Let's see. pth term is q, so according tp is equal to what? Q, means q pth term is q na, so we have tp is equal to q. Now let's see, then from that equation what we have a plus the value of n is p minus 1 into d is equal to q. Take equation number 1. Similarly what we have, and the qth term is p, so we have what? tq is equal to p na, its qth term is p, so we have tq is equal to p. Now by the help of this formula we have what? A plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p. Take equation number 2. Now let's see, dear student, now what we do, we have two equations as a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q, and second equation is a is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p. Now we have to show that its nth term is what? P plus q minus 1. Now dear students, after that we solving the equation 1 and 2, and in this way we find the value of first term and the common difference. Then we using the formula of nth term, so we putting the value of a and d, which is find with the help of this equation. Now we put the equation, put the value of that type of equation, so we get our result. Now first of all, solving equation 1 and 2. Let's see. Now solve equation 1 and 2. We get what we get? Let's see. First equation is what? Your first equation a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q, and second one is a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to p. Now let's see, dear student. Now first of all we subtract the minus plus minus plus minus, so a or a cancel out. Now we have what? P minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d is equal to q minus p. Now let's see. Now let's see, dear students, here d is common. Now here take d is common, so we get what? P minus 1 minus, here we is, if the bracket is splitted, then we have minus q plus 1. Okay, so minus q plus 1 is equal to, here what we have? Q minus p. So let's see, so d 1 cancel to, so d into p minus q is equal to, here if we take minus common, then we get p minus q. So the value of d is equal to p minus q upon minus p minus q. So this is cancelled, so the value of d is equal to minus 1. Now dear student, in this way we get the value of d as minus 1. Now we put the value of d in any equation 1 or 2. So here now from equation 2, so from equation 2 we get, let's see, here we put the value of d as minus 1, so we get a plus q minus 1 into d means minus 1 is equal to what? P. So here we have a minus plus minus minus q minus minus plus 1 is equal to p. So the value of a is equal to what? P. Here minus q transfer that side, so plus q plus 1 transfer that side, minus 1. Now in this way, dear student, after solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the value of A and D be what? -1 and P plus Q minus 1. Now we have to show that what we proved, dear student, we have to show that its nth term is that. Now by the help of the formula of nth term, we using the formula. Now let's see. Thus the nth term of this AP is what? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we put the value of A and D in this equation. We get what we get. Let's see, the nth term will be, the value of A is what? P plus Q minus 1. Here put P plus Q minus 1 and plus n minus 1 into the value of D is -1. So solving that, P plus Q minus 1 minus 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 plus minus n minus minus plus 1. So 1 cancel out. So T and its nth term is P plus Q minus n. Hence proved. So dear students, in this way we solve that type of question. So dear student, according to a statement in that type of questions, first according to question, first of all we make two equation. Is according to statement, we draw two equation. Then after solving that equation, we get we find the value of A and D. Now after that, according to question, we put the value of A and D. So in this way we get our result. So in this you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on that concept. Now we take some other important questions based on nth term of an AP. Okay, let's see. Let's see next question. Same, if the mth term of an AP be, your next question is, if the mth term of an AP be 1 by n. Okay, if the mth term of an AP be 1 by n and the nth term and the nth term be 1 by n. Okay, now find its mn term. Find its mnth term. Now let's see, dear students, this question is also same as a previous question. Now in that question, dear students, let's see here, if the mth term of an AP be 1 by n, mth term of an AP be 1 by n and the nth term of be 1 by n. Now we find its mn terms. Now dear student, first of all, according to statement, we draw two equation according to this statement. After that, we solving that equation to find the value of A and D. Okay, now after that we using the formula of nth term, so we get our result. So let's see its solution. First of all, let A be the first term and D be the common difference of that AP. Then its nth term will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? Same as first of all we take A be the first term and D be the common difference of that AP. Then its nth term will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Now dear students, according to statement, now let's see. According to statement, what is this? Mth term of an AP is 1 by n. Mth term is 1 by n, so we have Tm is equal to 1 by n. Right now? mth term is 1 by n. It means that Tm is equal to 1 by n. Now we put, according to equation 1, we have what? A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n. Take equation number 1. Similarly, and nth term is 1 by m. Nth term is 1 by m. So we have Tn is equal to 1 by m. So we have, according to that equation, we have a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Take equation number 2. Take equation number 2. Now what we do? We solve equation 1 and 2 and find the value of a and d. Now let's see. Now solving the equation 1 and 2 we get. Now we solve the equation 1 and 2. What we get? Let's see. A plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n, and second one, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Now let's see, dear students. Here sign change, minus minus minus, a cancel out. Now we have, take d as common, so we have m minus 1 minus n plus 1. Okay, and in that side what we get? 1 upon n minus 1 upon m. Now let's see. Here 1 cancel to each other, so we have d into m minus n is equal to, we take m n as the LCM in right side, so we have m minus n. M minus n cancel to each other, so the value of d is equal to 1 upon mn. So dear student, after solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the value of d as 1 upon mn. Now we put the value of d in equation 1 or 2 as you wish. Okay, dear student, as you wish. For finding the value of a, you put the value of d in any equation 1 or 2. Now let's see. Now from equation 1, we get, let's see, we put the value of d in that equation, we get what? A plus upon mn is equal to 1 upon n. Now the value of a is equal to 1 upon n minus m minus 1 upon mn. Now we take the LCM mn, we get n cancel to each other, so we get m minus bracket break minus m plus 1, m cancel to each other, so the value of a is also equal to 1 upon mn. So in this way, dear student, after solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the value of a and d as 1 upon mn and 1 upon mn. Okay, now according to question, what we find? We find the mn term. We find what? Mn term, na? Now let's see. Now the value of mn term, the value of its mnth term, what means? Tmn is equal to a plus mn minus 1 into d, right now? Now the value of its mnth term is t, means Tmn is equal to a plus mn minus 1 into d. Now we put the value of a and d in that equation. Now we put the value of a and b in above equation. We get what? Tmn is equal to 1 upon mn plus, here what we get? We get what? Mn minus 1 upon mn. Now what we get? We take mn as LCM, so we have 1 plus mn minus 1, 1 cancel to each other, so mn upon mn. So these terms also cancel to each other. So in this way, the value of its MNT MN term is 1. So our answer is 1. Okay. So dear students, in this way, first we make two equations according to statement. After that, we solving that equation to find the value of a and d. Now after that, according to question, we find the its mn term, and you know that the mn term is what? A plus mn minus 1 into d. Now after that, at last we put the value of a and d in that equation. In this way, after solving it, we get the value of this equation. This expression is 1. So the value of its the mn term is 1. So dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now dear students, we take some other important questions based on arithmetic progression. Let's see. Now we take some other important question based on, let's see. Show that, next question is, show that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth. Okay. Show that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. So dear student, this is another question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see the question. We have to show that, dear student, the sum of m plus nth term, and m minus nth term of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. Okay. Now in this question, first of all, we assume that, dear student, let a be the first term and d be the common difference of that AP. Now let's see its solution. In the same way, dear student, let a be the first term. Okay, a be the first term and d be the common difference. Let a be the first term and d be the common difference of the given AP, then, dear students, its nth term will be what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right now, this is the formula for nth term of an AP. So let a be the first term and d be the common difference of that AP. Then its nth term will be what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now its mth term, what is the mth term? Then its mth term, that is Tm is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Take equation number 1. Okay. The mth term of this AP is a plus m minus 1 into d. Okay. Now dear students, we find its m plus nth term and m minus nth term. Then we find their sum. Let's see. Now m plus nth term, that is Tm plus n is equal to what? A plus n minus 1. N is what? M plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. And now we find m minus nth term. Now and m minus nth term, that is Tn m minus n term is what? A plus m into d. Now according to question, we have to show that the sum of m plus nth, the sum of m plus nth and m minus n term na. So now t m plus n plus t m minus n, what we have? Let's see what we have. The value of m plus n term is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Now after that, a or a means what? 2a. Now in that term we take d as common. We take d as common, then we get m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Now let's see, we have 2a plus, here let's see, n cancelled each other, so we have what? 2m minus 2 into d. Now dear student, we have 2a plus 2 is common, so we get m minus 1 into d. Now 2 is common in both the terms, so 2 is common, then what we have? A plus m minus 1 into d. Now dear students, let's see from equation 1. From equation 1, this is the value of tm na, m term. Now let's see, using equation 1, using equation 1, we get the sum of tm plus n plus tm minus n is equal to 2 times tm. So in this way, this is your proved. So dear students, in this way we can say that the sum of m plus n term and m minus n term is equal to 2 times its mth term. Okay. Now let's see, dear student, once more time this question. Dear student, we have to show that the sum of m plus n and m minus n term of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. Now for solving that question, first of all we take a be the first term and d be the common difference of that AP, then its nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is given, this is no, we know that. Okay. Now according to question, first of all we find its mth term, we write its mth term. The mth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. We take equation 1. Now after that we just find the m plus n term. M plus n term. The m plus n term of this AP is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now we find its m minus n term. So the value of m minus n term will be what? A plus m minus n minus 1 into d. Now our question is, we have to show that the sum of this and this term na. Now we find the sum of these two terms. So in this way, after solving that expression, we get a means 2a plus, in that terms we take d as common, so we get m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1. Now plus n minus n cancel to each other, and here we get m plus n, that 2m, and minus 1 that minus 2 into d. Now in that here we take 2 as common. Now we take 2 as common in both the terms, so in this way we get 2 into in bracket a plus m minus 1 into d. Now here using equation 1, we can say that this is equal to 2 times mn. So in this way, dear student, we can say that the sum of m plus n and m minus n term of this AP equal to twice, means 2 times twice its m term. Okay. Now after that, dear students, today we solve some important question of your NCERT exercise. Now you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now dear students, after that, first you revise all the questions which is discussed, which we discussed in that class. Now after that you complete your NCERT exercise based on the general term of an AP. Now in next class we discuss some more important questions of your NCERT exercise, and also we discuss about the sum of n term of an AP the formula of sum of to find the sum of its nth term. Okay, now first you revise all the topic and you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, thank you.